Alright, I'm going to go over how to set up your portfolio pages and all that good stuff. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our dashboard and add a page. So let's go and just add a page, and for now we'll just call this one 4-column portfolio. And that's just so that I can remember it later on. So if you want to create a portfolio, what you're going to do is go under Page Attributes and select Template. So you can select any of them. Right now we're just going to do 4-column. They're all created the same, so it's pretty simple. So let's go ahead and publish this page, and I'm actually going to create another page as well. Let's go ahead and call this one second portfolio page. And I'll just pick 2-column just for the heck of it. Let's publish these. And I'm going to actually add this to our menu just so that it's easier to navigate around. So we added the second and a 4-column. We'll save our menu. Okay, so now we have our pages set up. The next thing we need to do is create a portfolio item. So let's go ahead and go under Add New, and let's just type in sample portfolio item. And then we'll put some text down here. And the way that we associate the post to the page is via these types. So let's go ahead and add a type, and I'm going to call this one 4-column portfolio, as I mentioned, so it's easier to find later on. So let's go ahead and add that type. And we're going to publish an image, and it needs to be a featured image, which will display down here. So if we upload an image, I just have that same sample image I'm going to keep uploading over and over. So when we scroll down, click Use as featured image. If you don't click as featured image, the thumbnail won't appear. So it's pretty key, and it'll display down here. If you want to remove it and add another one, you can do so as well. So let's go ahead and publish this one. Now we need to go back to our page actually, and under 4-column portfolio, we actually need to scroll down, and under portfolio type, select that new type we created. So that'll make sense if you're a little confused now when I do the second set of portfolio. Right now we're just focused on the first 4-column one. So if we view our site, go to our 4-column portfolio. We have a 4-column portfolio in that original sample portfolio item that we created. And there's a couple things that I'm going to do just editing this post. So let's go ahead and go back under that portfolio and edit our sample portfolio item. One of the things is it doesn't have the view project link, and that's because I haven't added it basically. So what we do to add that is we go into our text and we click on this button. It's got a little divider between two boxes, and it'll say insert more tag. So we click that and it creates this dotted line with more. Now if we update our page, we have our view project link that sends you to the project page, right? So then what this more link does is it cuts off what displays on the index. So if I type in down here, this text won't display on index, and then I update it. If we go back to our index page and I refresh it, nothing's changed. But if we go to the view project page, you'll see that both sets of text display. So what that does is it just cuts everything off, and it adds that view project link. So let's go and just add another one to the 4-column portfolio. So let's add a new type. We'll call this one video example actually. So I have a video from Vimeo that I'm going to actually just plug in. And so if I click share, we get the iframe embed code. Oh, sorry, scrolled in a little bit. Scroll a little more. And if we copy this, we don't even need to edit it. You can just copy what's in there. We close that, go back to our post, and under video embed code, we can paste in our embed code, and let's publish this. Oh, one more step. I need to select the type that I want to display in. So if we refresh this, now we have two. We have a video and our project. And if we want to add in that view more link as well with text, I'm going to go and just add the cutoff. We can do so there. When we view our project, it displays here.